friends, welcome back to hashtag Meghasis. Today is my fourth video on financial concept. In previous video, I told you about financial concept. Financial statements. Financial statement means the statements that tells us the information about actual position of our business. The purpose for running every business is to earn more profit, means to gain extra money to improve our lifestyle. When a businessman starts his own business, then after some time he checks that does he has earned the profit or he is in still a loss. And to know the financial position of our business, these financial statements helps us. There are three main types of financial statements. First one is the income statement, second one is the balance sheet, and third one is the cash flow fund flow statement. In income statements, there are two types of statements. First one is the profit and loss account and trading account. We see in detail yesterday. Let's have a short recap of yesterday's video. Trading account is prepared to know the gross profit or gross loss of our business. In trading account, on the debit side, all direct expenses are mentioned, and on credit side, all direct incomes are mentioned. In direct expenses, it comes purchase account, wages, then uptrack, motive power, carriage inward. All these expenses are mentioned on the debit side of trading account, while on the credit side all direct incomes means our sales is mentioned. We see that direct expenses means the expenses which makes effects on the profit of our business, and direct income means the income which is earned directly from our business, that is direct income. After calculating both these direct income and direct expenses, gross profit we found. This gross profit is the profit which is earned from direct income and direct expenses. This gross profit is transferred up to the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is prepared up to know the net profit of our business. Net profit means actual profit of our business. In profit and loss account, on the debit side, all indirect expenses are mentioned. Indirect expenses means the expenses which are not related to our production but still we have to pay, means they are required for any kind of business. The first one is that the salary paid, then like bill paid, commission paid, interest paid, depreciation is also mentioned in that. After mentioning all indirect expenses, on credit side we mentioned the indirect incomes. Indirect incomes means the income which is earned except from our business. Yesterday I gave my example also. If I am running this institute, this Unique Computer Tasga Institute, then I got the income from the fees of my students. But suppose if I have invested cash in somewhere, such as I have invested cash in shares, I have invested cash in gold, or I have created my FD, a fixed deposit, and I got interest on that, so that becomes my indirect income. After calculating both these, we get net profit or net loss. Net profit or net loss is the actual net profit or actual net loss of our business. It is mentioned, it is used for filing the income tax return. So this becomes the actual net profit or net loss, and this net profit or net loss is transferred to the balance sheet. In balance sheet there are two sides, liability side and asset side. On the liability side, all liabilities means the amount that we have to pay is mentioned, such as capital, then drawing, then sundry creditors, loan liabilities, all these are mentioned on liability side. Net profit is also mentioned there. Net profit is added to the capital. On asset side, all our assets and all our receivables are mentioned. Asset means furniture, land, building, machinery. These all are our assets. They are mentioned on the asset side, and except that sundry debtors, cash in hand, cash at bank, is all closing stock is also mentioned on asset sides. This balance sheet shows us the financial position of our business, but it doesn't show the actual income and outgo of our cash. For that purpose, cash flow statement is prepared. Cash flow statement means the statement where all transactions related to our cash are mentioned, such as suppose I am doing transactions in account in bank through also, means through check or through UPI ID, and I am doing some transaction through cash also. I just want to check the only cash transactions. So I can make the use of cash flow statement. These statements tell us the actual income of the cash, means how much cash we have received during certain period, and how much cash, the hard cash, had gone out from our business during certain period. That's why it is known as cash flow statement. These statements helps us to know the actual position of our cash flow statement. There are so many reasons for preparing cash flow statement. The first reason is to know the actual income and outcome of only cash. The second one is that to know the cash management, means in maximum times in our business, our cash goes at such a place where it was not needed to go. Means suppose I am doing miscellaneous expenses which are not required for our business or for ourselves, but while doing that we doesn't realize it. But at last when we see our cash flow statement, then we can realize that we have wasted so much cash, which we will be invested at another place also, so that will be beneficial for us. That's why cash flow statement tells us where our cash actually goes, so it helps to the proper management of the cash. The second one is to decide the future planning. Means suppose if my incoming is not accurate, if I am running a business, then I have certain ideas or I have certain concepts from where cash can come to me. Means there may be certain areas from where I can get the cash, but if that cash is not coming to me from those particular areas, then I can find out the reason behind this, and I can work on that particular point, so that cash will come continuously to me. I will get the cash continuously, and then I can increase my profit, I can increase my income. For that purpose also cash flow statement is prepared. And the last purpose for preparing the cash flow statement is to know the actual position or actual cash transactions of our business. As I told earlier, we can check unwanted expenses, we can check expected income that has not recovered yet. All these we can know by cash flow statement. In such a way, fund flow statement is also there. This is used only for fund. If we are playing with some funds, then they all are mentioned in fund flow statement, so that we could know the actual position of our funds. That is known as fund flow statement. In Tally, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow and fund flow are prepared automatically. We just have to make entries, and it automatically creates the trading account, profit and loss account, and all these points. It creates automatically by itself. Another statement is trial balance. Trial balance is known as the final list of all closing balances of all accounts. Means in our 1 year journey of the business, we means some accounts are closed while some accounts are not closed. We take all those accounts to the balance sheet to make their closing, and these accounts are taken from trial balance. In trial balance we can see the closing balance of all the accounts. Suppose I had made purchases and I had given cash of some purchase and I had not given some cash of purchases, then we can check that how much cash we had paid and how much cash we still have to pay. All this is recorded in trial balance. So this is also important financial statement that can help us to know our daily entries, or to know the final amount of all our transaction. In manually we have to prepare trial balance after calculating ledger, after preparing journal. It becomes very tricky, we can say that, but in Tally it becomes very easy for us. That's why Tally is the best used software for accounting. It helps us to create the reports easily. It helps us to analyze our data easily, because there is automatically analyzation system. We don't have to make any special process for analyzing data in Tally. That's why Tally is mostly used software for accounting, or for to any business firm. That's why Tally is most important. So this was my today's video about financial statement. In today we see about cash flow statement, which is used to know the to check the cash transactions of our business. Means what is actual inflow and outflow of our cash. It gives a clear picture of cash inflow and cash outflow. Fund flow statement, which is used for about funds, related to funds. And next one we see about trial balance, which tells us the closing balance of all our accounts, so that we could check that what is the position of our all accounts. We can get that. So this was my today's video about financial statements. tomorrow I will explain some finance concept in simple way so that everyone can understand them. I hope you like my video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and spread this video to many people. And if you have any suggestion for me, then please give that to me so that I can improve myself. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.